This one just a little bit closer to the stumps. And that has gone to the boundary. Just clipped off his legs. And the first boundary of the day. And Junior has a lot of assistance. And he's gone after this one. Ball high in the air and the first wicket falls. Asif Sheikh trying to turn it over onto through mid wicket, gets a top edge and he departs. Shinwari to Patel. Patel's drives and it's caught. Shinwari with the breakthrough. Beautiful delivery, leaving the right-hander. And Patel is caught slip.
This is not...
And to test their mantle in the opening overs. Down the wicket is Patel and he drives and he gets 4. Fortune favours the brave. Get them as much exposure as they can. Shinwari gets the inside edge and it's a French cut that goes for 4. So the second bound.
The rope.
Anil Kumar is down the ground. He drives to the offside and you don't run those, Monali.
Beautiful shot. Got to the pitch of the ball and smashed it through the offside.
Try again. This one is high in the air, over mid-off. One bounce and it's 4. Dry. This one's pitched up and held back a little bit and it's high in the air, over long on, and it's the first maximum.
Yeah.
The new batter goes after it. It's high in the air and he's gotten all of it.
And that's a really big shot.
That's gone for 6, Monali. If it was a bigger ground, it would have gone for 8.
Yes, well, I think we need to have more associate cricket in T20, in the T20 World Cup.
This one is driven and it's going to beat the long on field and it's 4 more.
Yeah, good shot. Good.
These who are so invested in their team. This one is high in the air, on the offside. And that's gone.
Looking to play that into the offside. Missed opportunity.
Missed opportunity. There's a song about that actually. This one is high in the air. Long off is coming in. He's under it. And takes the catch. Sukashal Moheen. And he's pulled this one high in the air. Deep mid wicket is coming across. Will he hold on to it? He does. Excellent take in the end. Out.
Might be available tomorrow.
This one is driven back overhead and that's gone for 6. Well, that's the way you respond. And he turns his wrist beautifully and that's gone for 4. Well,
Full members.
Gulshank is driven right back past him, and mid-off is not going to get there. That's 4 runs. Karan. Oh, again, that wristy play. A cover drive for the ages. Brian Lara-esque. Gives himself room, goes inside out. 1 bounce, 2 bounces over the ropes. And the skipper round the wicket now. Playing through the line of the ball again. And that's gone for 4. Well, he has Karan in scope. Down the track, inside out again. This one through point. Get your takeaway from USA's performance. There's Abhinash to the dangerous Melanthra. Short delivery, and he just turns it around. Did he take the catch? Looked like he dropped.
To have a cricket stadium so that we can promote cricket. Wow.
And he's bowled him.
Yes.
Sagar gets a breakthrough, and that.
If he wins, like I'm pretty sure, like he's going to advocate for like international cricket stadium in Baltimore County or even in Maryland.
That's a big shout. That looked like a very easy decision.
Again, full ball outside off stump, but he gets all of it, and that's 4.
How this game plays out.
19 off 17. Is he going to cut loose? Full toss. Looks like it's a leading edge, and that's 4 runs. Doesn't matter how you get them.
Right time.
Beautiful. It's in the air. This could be the wicket they wanted. Yes, they have it. Sumpal with the breakthrough. He pitched it up.
Heavy sort of heat.
Crosses stumps, and there goes Imran Khan. He lifts it over his head, and that's gone for 6.
It's the only flag. As we take a look at that, it's going to be a wicket, and a good time to pick up that wicket. Abhinash gets another breakthrough. Tell on it in a flash. Past the bowler's head. 1 bounce, 4 runs. In the end, the fielder had no chance on the boundary.
But Abhinash, 1 for 30. Again, another full delivery outside off stump. And that's gone for 4. 4 more to the total. Down the track, and he's got it! High in the air! And he takes a fantastic catch! A match-winning type catch.
That's right.
Karan, not a wide, very, very close to being a wide. Cornell Dry is asking the question, and that does it. Nepal bounce back from a not so good innings with the bat.